Well, this is the start of our hike here. All right, there's the road. The road less traveled.
If you want to look at the map. Okay, so we're starting here. We're going all the way
to there.
We are here. We're going all the way to the balcony and then go all the way back, okay? But going and coming back is not even 2 miles.
Yeah, okay.
All right, we're starting out on our hike to the balcony to feed the birdies here. We're going here. I'm going back up here. We got all my peeps in back of me here. So we're going up here. All right, there we go. Well, trail's a little muddy here in spots and slippery, so you kind of have to be careful here. We got a kind of a shadow man in there when we get the sun, but you got to watch out for rocks and roots and all that stuff up here. All right. You come and see the little flowers here, or passing by here. Yeah, look at these guys here. Yeah. Oh, good. Still going up here. We have a little snack bar here, but we're not going to stop here. We're going to press on.
No, we're not yet.
So we got some here. Yes, we got some here. Sure. Got a little bee on there. Yeah, all right. All right. Yeah, this turkey. How can you see with that stuff hanging over your eyes there, partner? Okay. Yeah, he's in there. All right. Yep. He's an animal. Okay. Good turkey. Here's a little view from the trail. We're still going up. Up there. All right, let's go. Well, we're cutting in between some cliffs here. And a little cooler in here as we're going up. And see what there is up here. Working our way up there. We hit the house, we made the left-hand turn. That's us, plenty. It's plenty.
Thank you. That's great. Hey, little bird. He's looking.
If not, I'll have to save this in my hand.
No, you could put it back in here for you.
Oh, okay.
She said we had to wait.
I'm going to run out of battery.
Well, why don't you just turn it off?
Yeah, you can do it with one finger.
Yeah, look over here. That's a once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah, he's got a bad foot here. It's all bloody.
Come on, honey.
He needs the food.
Come on. You want some?
Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to jump there. My hand was getting tired. Here you go.
Wasn't ready for that.
Oh,
there you go.
You want some?
See here. He's back.
Come on, boy.
That's
Isn't that cool? Yeah. It's the coolest feeling.
Or her, whatever. It's probably
The blue ones are going to be the film.
Yeah, we're feeding the birds here. This guy needs it because, like I say, he's got a bad leg. He's only got one good leg. This is Gimpy. Gimpy needs his food here to heal that leg. So eat up, my friend. What's your name? You got a name? How's the day going for you? All right? Doing a lot of flying here?
Yeah, okay.
Doing a lot of eats from all the people here and everything? Yeah, yeah.
You want some birdseed?
Yes, of course.
It's awesome.
Yes, yes.
Awesome. Good. Oh my God, that is the coolest thing.
Who wants some? You good? I want some. I'm good. This is the blue one.
There you go, buddy.
It's kind of easy if you put your
Okay.
hands on the fence.
I got one.
Okay.
He's got like a funny leg too. They all have like one goofy leg. Well, trying to feed the birds here. I got the bird seed in my hand. A couple of times they landed, but just going to look around here as we got some sun up here. It's not too bad. Little balcony that we're on, this big rock here. So there we go. There's a look at it, and there's the rest of the group up there. Okay. Well, I don't see any more birds. Another big group came up, so I think the birds are a little skittish here. But looking down the valley, I got the bird seed there. Yeah, look at the birds. The bird did land on there, so it was pretty good. See a couple guys flying up there. You see yours truly here. I'm here. I'm trying to feed the birds. Some of them came by here. So I'm one man travel. Don't forget. All right, we're up here doing everything for you out there. Okay, enjoy. Okay, now we got a guy here. Yeah, this one's got both his legs are good here, so that's good here. Yeah. Right there, oh, checking it out. He's flying away. Everybody's got their hands out here. Got some birds on there. Okay, you never know. One's going to land here. Oh, almost.
You want as close as this one? Yes, come on.
Yeah.
Beijinhos.
There we go. It's the neighbor's hand there. Oh, almost got chased away. He's on my hand. He's eating away. Got to get a good meal in you there, my friend. What would you do without us here? I'm going to have to move my foot, so I may scare you away. Yeah, I figured I would there. As soon as I shift my weight.
Ever. They were so adorable. That was a gift, wasn't it? That was the sweet. I cannot look at oh, yeah? Did you look yeah, I looked at her. Yeah, it's beautiful. Birdseed?
We have extra.
We have extra.
Yes, so much.
I'm trying to get rid of it. You hold it, yeah.
Yeah, the eagle.
Well, the little bird leaves, then the eagle comes.
The eagle's gonna come to you.
Does she want some? You want some?
Okay, we got a little souvenir shop and coffee shop, and I'm looking up here, and we got this thing here. It says meant to be climbed here. I gotta watch my step. The first one's a doozy here. So let me grab hold of some support here. The kid's gonna make it up. You know, I'm not 20 years old here, you know, so but I thank you for being a follower. The guy of the older persuasion. Oh, look at this. We got the bridge up there. Got the running water down there. This is all made out of little sticks and everything. Down there. The electrical wires running there. Come over here. And got another viewpoint. Water's very clear water here. Yeah, look at that. Going back down there. Yeah, because this is where I came up. Right there, like I said, souvenir shop, parking lot, restaurant here. Okay, gotta go.